hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's been a difficult one for me. I have a sick son. He is doing way better than he was. Hold on, let me turn this down. But he is still being very, very fussy and very, very, yeah, just fussy. So this video had started out with a review of the Bretman Rock palette, and I had to stop it because I'm telling you that palette performed horribly for me. I see that a lot of other people really, really enjoyed that palette. I did not. It just didn't work. The colors don't look anything like they do in the palette. They don't look like that in person at all, not even close, and I will show you guys that. But I just received, well, not just, like about a week ago, I received my Mothership Subversive palette from mcgrath, and I actually ordered it because I genuinely thought I had it. I thought I had every single one of her palettes, but I went through my entire collection and could not find it anywhere. So I ordered it and it came in, and I wanted to play with it. So when the Bretman Rock collection did not work out for me, I thought, okay, well, let's just switch gears and we will do a Mothership Subversive palette review. What I did like though from the Bretman Rock palette, or sorry, collection, is his highlighter. I'm not a huge fan of loose highlighters because you can literally go overboard so quickly, like I just did. I barely tapped this in to the container, and it, see, it looks nice over here because I got some of it off on the other side of my face, but now this is just like a streak, so I have to kind of blend it out. It is beautiful though. This is the only side that I do like. There's two sides. There is a gold lioness or lioness, and, or sorry, gold lioness and tigress. The bronze one is literally just glitter. It is just glitter. It is not highlighter. It's just glitter. So keep that in mind. It's inexpensive. It's not a big deal. It goes on beautifully. So even if you just buy it for the one side, you are still getting your money's worth because it costs like next to nothing. My son has been, you know, being a little fussy, so I've been trying to in and out of doing the makeup look, so that's why I still have some eyeshadow on. Okay, so I've been in and out of trying to do this makeup look. That's why there's already eyeshadow on my eye. So right now what we have on is the deep shade, which is a chocolate brown, which is this color here. And now we are going, we're following along with a kinky sweat look because she did this look, and that's what made me go, where's that palette? I swear I have it. I didn't. So now we're going to go into Blitz Amethyst, which is this stunning shade. I mean, it's gorgeous. And we're gonna put this all over the lid. I have some on here, but we need to wet it. She wet it, so I'm assuming it just works better that way. And put it all over the lid. I'm gonna go back in just a little bit. I didn't have enough on my lid. Oh, it looks so pretty on her. Okay, so I'm actually really liking this. Actually really reminds me of the color Club by MAC. It has that multi color shift like that one does by MAC. Hold on, she passed me up, so I don't know what else she put on. Okay. So she put this on all over the lid. she actually did it a little bit more precise than me. So let me do that again. Make sure I've got it all over. And okay. And then she went in with this shade, which is in the corner. Looks like this. Kind of a pearlescent pink shade. And she went into the inner corner. It's right there with that. I'm going to go in with a tiny brush to do that since it's not very much. I don't know if she wet this, but I'm going to try because this isn't really showing up. And I'm using my Fix It and Forget It by Lancome. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, so this is what we've got going on so far. It looks like she went on the outer corner with something else, but I'm not sure because I missed it. So let's go back and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what we've got going on so far. I actually went over the lid with this again, but with my finger, because it actually totally changed the color from what I was using with a brush. With my finger, it looks more blue. With a brush, it looks more purple, if that's even possible. Underneath, hold on, she's quick. So underneath, she goes in with a little bit of the black. Oh no, black metal. Okay. My eye's blurry, having that, I got that in my eye. Okay, so I know this looks crazy. This definitely does not look like a look I would normally use. We're going to go into the brow bone with the lightest shade, which is called Skin Show Fever, and go over the brow. Oh, she does that too, I didn't even know. Huh. Okay. She goes in with this Astro shade, which is that pink. It's almost white in the palette, but it is not. And she goes in the inner corner with that. I'm going to do that again. I really like what she did with this look. It's beautiful. This lightens it up. And that's what we have going on. So I'm going to finish the rest of my eyes and I will be back. Okay guys, this is the final look using the Mothership Subversive palette following a Kinky Sweat tutorial. I think this turned out beautifully. I'm sorry I have to go. My son is being super fussy. This is just stunning, but you guys saw it. I hope you guys can recreate this. If you do, tag me in it. If you post on Instagram, I would love to see these looks redone because I redo them from other people. So I love them. So, all right, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and a marvelous month. Stay sane, stay healthy, stay away from people. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.